What is up, guys? Chlorine King here, and thanks for tuning in for another one. Today we're talking about one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to heat your pool, save money, and make your pool life a whole lot easier. And that's using a solar pool cover from Sun2Solar and poolsupplies.com. I know what you must be thinking, it's just a piece of plastic, right? Yeah, and technically a roof is just some shingles, but try living without one for a week and let me know how that goes. Same idea here, simple but powerful. So let's start with the biggest benefit, free heat. This solar cover uses the sun to raise your pool temperature by up to 15 degrees. No gas bill, no electric bill, no complicated system, just good old sunshine doing the work. And it doesn't stop there. It also traps that heat. So when the sun goes down, instead of your pool cooling off overnight, this cover helps maintain that temperature. That means more comfortable swimming, especially in the early mornings or late evenings. Honestly, no matter what type of heater I install for my clients, we always talk about heat loss overnight, and this is one of the easiest ways to reduce it. Now let's talk about something most pool owners overlook, evaporation. Without a cover, your pool is constantly losing water, especially here in Florida. This solar cover can reduce evaporation by up to 95%. That means less water to refill and fewer chemicals to rebalance. So you're saving water and saving money at the same time. Now what about the color difference, clear versus blue? Which should you pick? It all comes down to your strategy and what you want from your cover. A blue cover offers a balance of heat retention and reduce evaporation, while a clear cover lets more sunlight in to pass through to generate heat more evenly. And with water restrictions happening right now in a lot of areas, including mine, this is something I've been recommending to my clients more than ever. It's one of the easiest ways to stay within the rules without sacrificing your pool, your water bill, and more importantly, your sanity. Another big win, debris control. If you've walked out to your pool and it looked like it held a leaf convention overnight, you'll love this. This cover acts as a barrier. Less debris means less cleaning, less strain on your equipment, and more time enjoying your pool. So let's talk about insulation, because this is where people hesitate. The good news, it's super simple. These covers come with extra material so you can trim them to fit your pool exactly. Weird shape, steps, that one corner you don't understand, no problem. You can customize it right on site, and it's lightweight enough to take on and off without a hassle. And best of all, trimming doesn't void your warranty on any of these covers. Now, fun fact here, but this is important, so pay attention. The bubbles go facing down towards the water, not up. I know it's tempting to think bubbles up because, bubbles, but trust me on this one. Those bubbles are what trap and transfer the heat into your pool. If you flip it the wrong way, you're basically blocking out the heat. So remember, bubbles facing down always. One thing that really stands out about Sun2Solar is its performance. This isn't just any cover. It's been recognized for its efficiency and was even recommended by Better Homes and Gardens in 2026 for the best heat retention. That's not something you get just for showing up. The covers are offered at an 800, 1200, and 1600 series that refers to not only the thickness, but heat retention, production, and durability. The 800 series is your budget-friendly version. The 1200, a balanced all-around performer with its lifespan and heat performance. And the 1600 is the thickest, offering maximum heat retention, durability, and longevity. Great if you plan on using your pool cover all season long. When you feel the results, it's impressive. The water stays warm, looks crystal clear, and everything just runs more efficiently. Even at night, you can notice how well it holds that heat in. And at the end of the day, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. No complicated install, no expensive equipment, just a simple solution that gives you better heat, less water loss, cleaner water, and less maintenance overall. Now let's go poolside and show you how to install these covers in some of the pools we service each week. I told you, I've been recommending these to my clients.
What's up, guys? You can see we're here at a client's pool. We had to sort of do some preliminary cuts to get this rough draft of a cover to fit, so we're going to fine tune the process as we go around and cutting it, but we had to make some cuts for the stairs, some columns, and all that fun stuff. And I do apologize for the wind. We are expecting some weather later on, so now that we got this layout sort of roughed in, we're going to go ahead and fine tune it with some scissors. And what I'm going to do is try to cut this as closely as possible to the where the water and tile meet. And then once we get all the scrap away, we're going to try to fine tune it and get rid of the creases and air bubbles here, and probably have to cut it again. So It's really as simple as just cutting any type of bubble wrap when you mail a package. Super simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we got the rough cut done, and we're gonna peel away all the scrap and see what we're left with and go from there. So now what I'm doing now is trying to get rid of some of the air bubbles that are in here, and it's a lot like if you ever put a phone screen protector on, it's a lot like that. You're not gonna get every bubble out, but the idea is to leave the customer with a nice flat cover the best you can. Like I said, you can't get all the bubbles, but it looks way better than what it was. So there you go, guys. We didn't actually have to recut anything. We just grabbed a brush, as you saw, and removed some of the larger air bubbles to make this sit more flat and flush the water to heat it as much as possible. So that is how you add a Sun2Solar pool cover, and now we got the client free heat. What's up, guys? I am back here at night to show you what these pool covers look like at nighttime with pool lights on. You can see it looks really cool. We did have a massive rainstorm. That's what all these dark spots are, just puddles of water on top of the cover. But look at when the pool's circulating, you can actually see the cover move around and actually creates like a wavy look, which is just really cool. So just want to show you guys this, and we'll show you the clear one here at the next pool. Now you guys can see we're at the pool with the clear cover that we installed earlier today. I forgot to mention the last pool, that one has a full-size incandescent pool light, where here we have a nicheless LED color changing light. But either way, you can see the ambiance these covers create for pools at nighttime. But more importantly, it's eliminating evaporation, and it's also retaining all that heat that these covers created throughout the day.
If you got value from this, drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know. Are you using a Sun2Solar cover already, or just something you've been thinking about? Thanks for tuning in as always, and go let the sun pay your pool heating bill for once. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone.